Hi, hello, my standard kids. Time, okay, for the fifth standard section. All of you know to see the time, but there is a small difference in seeing the time here in the lesson in fifth standard. So let us see what is the difference here. Okay, so this lesson is little interesting. Please watch the video carefully and see what I have made the difference for you. Okay, so can you see the clock over here? What is the clock time shown here? You know, all of you know what time you get up, what time you have those alarms and all that. What that only is given here as the drawing. Here the time here you can see is 1:20. Okay, 1 o'clock 20 minutes. Here what is the time given? 10:20. It is given as 10:20. 10 o'clock 20 minutes. Here the third one is 3 p.m. Okay, 3 o'clock. So you have to draw the clock hands for this number 11:40. 11:40. It will be in the, all of you know the 5 tables only is a round clock. So what will be the 5 tables? 1 5s are 5. Answer will be 5. Okay, the same only. Those who don't know the time, I am telling you the way to see the time. 1 5s are 5, 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15, 4 5s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 6 5s are 30, 7 5s are 35, 5 8s are 40, 5 9s are 45, 5 10s are 50, 5 11s are 55, and 5 12s are 60. So all should know that we have only 60 minutes. All of you know that 60 minutes make 1 hour. Okay, so 30 minutes make half an hour. Okay, this and all are the small basic thing that you should have learnt it in the smaller classes. Okay, so next we are going for 4:55. So it will be 4, that is nearing 5. Nearing, in between 4 and 5 you have to put this 4:55. Next 1:40. So it will be 1 o'clock, that is nearing 2 o'clock, that is 1 to 40. 40 it will be 8. 5 8s are 40. So the big hand will be in 48. Okay, 8 5s are 40. So these are the small things you have to know in this lesson. Okay, next we move on to the very important interesting time here. What I told you is railway timing. What is railway timing? All of you have gone to the railway station. Yes, all have gone. So you have to go by the train. You like to travel by train and go. To travel by train we have to go to the station on time so that the train picks you up correctly. Have you seen a big clock in the railway station like this? Okay, there will be a big clock like this in the railway station. Okay, there is a small difference between the time clock that we see in this and the clock that we have in our house. What is the difference, shall we see? Yes, the difference is 12 hours. After 12 hours, it will be counted as 24 hours continuously. Okay, so this 24 hours because there is a small confusion everywhere. So they made it as 24 hours fully. They don't have the continuation of 12 hours. After 12 hours, 12 o'clock, they don't say it as 1 2 3. They make it as 13 14. Continuously they make the numbers. Now where all this is there? It is there in the railway station. It is there in the television station, airport, internets. All people now with internet, it is very famous. So they are announcing everything in the place, in these places also. You, when you go in the railway station, you can hear the sound ting tong. Then when the sound is coming, then you can start the announcements will be going for the correct announcements for the timings of the railways arrival and the departure from the station will be announced according to the 24 hours time. So this is the railway time. So it will be mostly written in 4 digits. It will be written, the railway timing will be written for mostly in 4 digits. That is 2 hours shows the time hour, and the last 2 hours shows the minutes. Okay, how many hours, how many minutes, how many hours, how many, that is 2 digits shows the hours, 2 digits shows the minutes. So now let's see the clock very carefully. Okay, just imagine, see the clock what it is given. So how to do for 24 hours. Now we have finished one rotation from morning 1 o'clock till noon, it is 12 o'clock. Till noon, that is till you have your, after your morning break, it is 12 o'clock, that it will be noon, 12 noon. After that, after 12, it will become 12:30. After that 1 is there, means it will become 13. Then after that it will become, when it is going to 2 o'clock, it will become 14. It will not become as 2 o'clock, it will become as 14 hours. Okay, then 15, 3 o'clock, 14, 16, 5 o'clock, 17, 6 o'clock, 18, 7 o'clock, 19, 8 o'clock, 20, 9 o'clock, 21, 10 o'clock, 22, and 11 o'clock, 23, and here it will be 24 hours, whole day is over. How many hours are there in the have? We have, all of you remember, one day has 24 hours. So this is the 24 hours continuous way. Now how this 12 is divided, that is midnight in the night time, that when we are sleeping it is 12 o'clock. Noon it is called as 24 hours. That 00 hours is called as in the noon time, that is called as 24 hours. Okay, next 9 a.m., that is morning 9 a.m., it is called as 9 hours. Okay, 9 hours. Then it is noon, it is called as 12 hours. What it is called as? 12 hours. 12 o'clock it will be called as 12 hours. Same way 1 p.m. it is there, means then it is changed to 13 hours. That is 12 plus 1, that is 13 hours. So this is the conservation, the timing change. Let us see in the tabular form here. Midnight it will be 0 hours or 24 hours. Then if it is 20 a.m., then 20 hours. Then 49 a.m., 49 hours, that is 12 o'clock, 12:20, 20 hours. 12:49, 12:49 hours. Then 1 a.m., then it will be 1 hour. 4 a.m., it will be 4 hours. 5 a.m., 5 hours. 11 a.m., 11:15 hours. Then 12 noon means 12 hours. There is some change where it is coming is, see, 12 p.m., that is in the, after the noon it is going as 12 p.m. in the midnight it become as 12 hours. Then 12:59 p.m. it will be 12:59 hours. If it is 1 o'clock sharp 1 p.m., that is midnight 1 p.m., it is 39 hours. Then or it is in the morning, in the early morning time, that is midnight, after the midnight it is 1 p.m., then it is 13 hours. 4 p.m. in the afternoon, 4 p.m. it is 16 hours. Same way 1 p.m. after your lunch period, what is there, 1 p.m. it is 13 hours. PM will come in the afternoons only, children. AM only will come in the mornings. Okay, then 5:20 p.m. it is 17 hours. Then 9:45 p.m. it is 21:45 p.m. hours. So like that, here what we have, let us try this and write. Here you have 3:30 a.m. not p.m. a.m. So it will be 3:30 hours. Then 4:45 p.m. Then you have to change here. 4 p.m. means it is 16. So it will be 16:45 hours. 16:15 hours. Then here, see here, 12:50 hours. Then what it will be here? 12:50 p.m. Then 20:15 hours. Then 20 means where it is coming in the clock. It is 8. So 8:15 p.m. Then 12:25 p.m. Then what will be hours? 12:25 p.m. means then 12:25 hours. Then 1:55 p.m. Then it will be 13:55 hours. Understood, children? So this is the time here. See how it is for midnight. It is written 2 hours 20 minutes. Okay, 2 hours and early morning time, that is. Then 2 hours 20 minutes. How it is written in the afternoon? 20 minutes. Okay, so this is the way it will be written for us to write. So let us write this. How to write? Let us see. 6:55 a.m. it will be 6:55 minutes. Okay, 6:55 in the evening means 18:55. Okay, then if it is in the morning 11:15 a.m. means in the evening it will be, that is nearing night, it will be 23:15. The 12 o'clock in the noon time it is means midnight, it will be 00 hours. Now let us try AM PM. 8:45 a.m. 1 a.m. After since no moon at 8:50 p.m. goes to bed 9:15 p.m. Sun rises a.m. 1 p.m. Sun eating lunch will be in p.m. Okay, so till here we have finished. We will do the addition part of it in the next class. Continue this. Okay, children, all understood the lesson, I think. Okay, hope you have understood the lesson. See you in the next class.